Welcome to the 5 minutes video lesson today, and this is the speaking stream, and I'm talking to you on the with a focus on making an appointment. Okay, next time when you make an appointment with a doctor or with somebody, you have certain expressions for that, and that you can use to make any appointment. All right, so here is something like, you can see this device, and you can make an appointment through telephone, or you can make an appointment through email, or some other digital ways. All right, okay, so making an appointment, okay, that means being able to make or cancel an appointment is an important skill in English. Okay, you need to be able to make an appointment, and you need to be able to respond to an appointment, and you need to be able to cancel an appointment. Okay, so here are certain expressions which you can use to do this concisely and clearly. That means you would not make any mistake. All right, if you understand these different expressions for making an appointment with a doctor, or an appointment with certain people, for example with the principal, or an appointment with your boss. Okay, all right, okay. So when you are asking people to meet, okay, you say, are you available on Sunday? Are you available next Tuesday? Are you free on Saturday? Are you free on next Friday, for example? So you say, are you available? Are you free? On. Okay, so when you use on, then you use the day or the time, for example. No, you cannot use time here, because for time you would use at. All right, and when you use next, then you put the day here, right? Okay, can we meet? This is very informal. We say, can we meet on Tuesday? Can we meet on next Friday? All right, and when you use the word would, that becomes more polite, and you say, would you? Okay, would we? Okay, would you see me next Tuesday? Or would next Tuesday be okay? Okay, would next Tuesday be okay for us? Because there is no subject here. So the subject is next Tuesday, next Friday, next Saturday, and be okay. This is a question, and this is a very polite question when you ask somebody, to meet, okay, and you want to set an appointment. So what about next next month, for example, or next week? All right, is next Tuesday okay with you for meeting? So this is when you ask people to meet. All right, these are the questions, and the examples are here. Are you available on the 17th? Can we meet on the 16th? Okay, how does the third sound, the third of that month, of this month, sound to you? Sound to you means, how does it look like? Are you free next week? Would Friday suit you? Is it suitable for you, okay, to meet? Is next Tuesday convenient for you? And what about sometime next week? Okay, so these are the expressions when you want to make, an appointment, and when you ask, for example, to take time from some people, to make an appointment. Okay, and when people are responding to your appointment, they will say, yes, it's fine. Yes, that would be fine. Okay, okay, it suits me. Yeah, that will be perfect. And if they reject the appointment, they would say, I'm afraid I can't. Okay, I can't see you on Tuesday, or I'm sorry, I won't be able to, okay, to meet on Thursday. All right, I really don't think I can to see you on Tuesday. All right, so these are the examples. Okay, yes, examples here. Yes, Monday's fine. Monday suits me. Thursday would be perfect. I'm afraid I can't on the 3rd. What about the 6th? Oh, I'm sorry, I won't be able to make it on Monday. Could we meet on Tuesday instead? Wednesday is going to be a little difficult. I would much prefer Friday, if that's all right with you. Okay, so these are some of the expressions you can see here. I really don't think I can on the 17th. Can we meet up on the 19th? All right. Okay, when you cancel, for cancellation we don't have time.